Okay, so I'm now ready to finish the aluminum section on the base of the camper. In store they had only 6 inches wide aluminum roll. So what I will have to do is, so my little dog's crying, sorry about that. What I will have to do is make a first section that will overlap the floor, not overlap but go under the floor, and after that I will put a second strip that will go under this aluminum here, but and over the strip on the bottoms. So first what I will do is cut these section. I tried to save them, but there was too much damage on them, so if I just nail back it as is, it will be pretty ugly. So I will cut it the same height as this one here, and I will overlap all the way at the same height as this. So let's start it right now. So I will do the same the other side, and after that I will start installing the strip of aluminum in the bottom. Okay, so today we will finally finish the base, or the aluminum on the base. Last night I finished the first slab, the first layer. The first strip is done. Now I'm starting the second strip. So as you see, I can put my nails in the original, or the whole of the wall section, and also I covered the nails of the bottom section with the lower part here. After that I will put some silicone in the joint, so we make sure there's no water getting in there. Okay guys, so the base is finally done. The aluminum is done all over, all around. Sorry about that. The base is completely done, sorry. So now if I want to move it, I can finally load it on the truck and it will be stable. So this is it for the 6 inches rise of the camper that make it fit on the bed of the truck. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you will be notified as soon as I will release the next part of this camper build. So on this, I wish everybody a great day. See you later. Bye.